If you're new, press the bell icon to get the latest notifications.
Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome back to Luna Classic video update today. I don't know if you guys always watch Bitcoin update on the channel, but I want you to start watching Bitcoin updates every day because that's important. And I'm going to tell you something about Bitcoin in this update right now. So I talked about Bitcoin on my previous update. So I went to KuCoin Exchange and I talked about, the monthly time frame of Bitcoin having this bullish pattern known as right angle descending broadening wedge. So if you look at it, this is how it looks like, where you have a very straight resistance and prices are moving lower. So that's your straight resistance here, and the prices are actually moving lower. And for me personally, if Bitcoin has to come down again, then you can see that it makes sense to go down to the lowest part of the trend line to complete another leg down to $12,000 or $13,000. And then in the future, break out, right? Break out and go to 41,000. This is still going to be bullish, even if you came down here. Now, which brings me back to Luna Classic. So Bitcoin has a doji on a monthly time frame. Luna Classic has a doji on a monthly time frame. I do see a pump. Yes, I'm not ignoring the pump, by the way. I do see that the pump happened for Luna Classic here. And honestly, I don't know why they did it. Or maybe it's just to do some stop loss hunts right over here, because this is the only place it makes sense for people to place their stop loss, and that's where they decided to take the stop loss. So new stop loss is 18,000 maybe. So at the moment, I don't know why they made this pump, but it's going to make sense, as I told you in yesterday's video, that if on the monthly time frame you want to make something legit, then it's important to break and come to 20,000 or 21,000. That's where I might start to consider Luna Classic is interested to go up. Even though right now at the moment, let me tell you, the whole market, a lot of coins, I do see some bullish ones, but so many coins have bearish divergence. So many coins are looking to drop 20-30% to the downside. I don't know if Luna Classic is going to be on its own at the moment. It's really difficult to say. It's just like, having a very big force, which is Bitcoin pulling everybody down, and Luna Classic just starts to fly on its own. It's really, really hard to bet on that. But it can happen. It's possible. Anything is possible here. But when that time comes, it's only when we probably try to break above 20,000 again and push to the upside. So this pump is just a pump in my eyes. I don't think there's anything interesting with a pump, because the last time the pump happened like this was back in 3 December, and we saw this pump happening again like this. We were actually moving down, the pump happened again, and it didn't make any sense, and they just kept on dropping it down. And by the way, there's a saying that goes, when you want to push the prices lower, pump it first, because pump attracts the suckers. That's one thing. Again, nothing can be said. Nothing can totally be said. For me personally, the monthly is what I keep telling you. The monthly is what I need to see first, because this for me has a threat to make a bear flag, and as far as I'm concerned, it's still not breaking out. And you have one more thing, okay, one more possibility here of an ascending triangle. Okay, very, very, very small possibilities. And this ascending triangle can also mean that Bitcoin can do something, sorry, not Bitcoin, Luna Classic can do something like this and actually go up to that technical target and break above and even move higher. Who knows? Okay, so this is a very, very small confusion right here, if this is actually going to turn to be a flag or not. But it does seem like April is going to fill that little bit of a slot that we have, very, very little bit of a slot, if not March. If it doesn't happen in March, then we are going to definitely see something happen in April, because that's where the prices are going to be compressed and the squeeze is going to happen and the pop is going to happen somehow. And the pop, of course, is going to be up or down, and wherever you pop, you trade. So that's it. And do join the Discord at the moment. It's completely free for you to join the Discord. You can go down and come to Luna Classic and talk about it. Okay, talk about it. People are sharing their conversation, and that's it. I'm gonna see you the next one. I love you.